I love you guys. Wala akong masabi talaga kasi.
Did you just say that? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Forever Here. I hope that you are all doing well. Warning, today I'm going to try and watch everything Pug to Tug Dubai related because A, I have no self-control, B, I have no pacing, and C, I don't want to wait until tomorrow. But what I do want to do tomorrow is moan that I've run out of everything. How about that? That sounds amazing, doesn't it? So I'm starting off here. But before I even tell you what this is, obviously this is them at a radio show. Amazing stuff. Would you look at Pablo? That is who I am looking at. The way that this wolf cut, this mullet, whatever you want to call it, frames that incredibly beautiful face. I mean, to get me to look away from Estelle is quite a feat, and he's done his job. Look at how amazing he looks like. Can you imagine seeing that face up close, like how Estelle is? Can you imagine seeing that? Also, Justin has black hair. They all have black hair. This is after a very, very long time, and he's so sneaky because he flew out to Dubai with this hair, and then right before the show, black hair. I love it. I love it. I love it. I cannot wait to watch him performing Surreal with black hair. Now, this is SB19 on, I think this is like a Filipino radio show out there. So thank you so much to the account that is Estella Presa for subbing this. Please have a look at the description below for a link to the original upload. Thank you so much. Would you like to watch this with me?
Magandang umaga mga nakatag, lalong pinasaya ang aming umaga dito sa
he has nice energy.
Kasama namin ngayon ang multi-awarded na boy group from the Philippines. Kasama namin ngayong umaga, fresh from the airport, sina Pablo, Joss, Steele, Kin,
you wouldn't be able to tell that they had traveled and barely slept.
SB19!
Let's go! Let's go! Pinasaya, pinainit nila.
Pinaingay din.
Look at Pablo.
Pinaingay din. First and foremost, thank you so much, guys. Alam namin na kadarating pa lang here in Dubai. Tapos non-stop na rin ang inyong pag-promote sa pinaka-aabangan nyong world tour. At thank you at may stop dito sa Dubai ang pagtatag, which is gonna happen tomorrow!
Yay!
Pang ilang stop nyo na dito sa Dubai sa inyong pagtatag tour? Sa Dubai, pang ilang na to?
Kami po ni Ken 4, pero as SB19, pangatlong beses na po.
Yes.
Yeah.
And syempre, we appreciate them. Kasi guys, as early as now, talagang pumunta sila dito. And sana all, ganyan, di ba? Woke up like this. Ang pogi, di ba?
Really,
and
really,
of course,
really.
Syempre, how excited are you guys na ito
I
na
can't. Is Pablo called the sun? He looks absolutely stunning.
World tour at sinama nyo pa ang Dubai. Thank you so much na magpa-perform kayo dito.
Super excited po kasi sa totoo lang, well, hindi naman siya secret sa lahat, but na-postpone po kasi talaga yung Asia tour namin. And finally, this time, mapututuloy na po talaga siya. And nandito kami sa Dubai.
Don't get Pablo thinking, please. Yes, let's make it positive.
Sa mga kababayan natin na nandito. And of course, sa 18 na talagang matagal na inintay ito. Well, before nagkaroon na kami ng Wyatt tour dito, but this time kasi pagtatag na yung pinapromote and yung performance na gagawin namin. So, we really feel the excitement ng everyone. Talagang pinaghandaan namin. And alam namin na pinaghandaan din nila to before, but now natuloy na, mas nararamdaman namin yung energy and excitement ng everyone. Kaya sobrang excited din kami for tomorrow. Super happy talaga.
Wala akong masabi. He's kind of like slouching on the desk thing. What is he doing? Is he trying to kill us?
Yung performance namin before. Gusto ko lang talaga ipakita sa mga fans kung ano yung mga pinaghandaan namin. And happy ako na makikita ko na sila. Yun.
Yeah,
Can
finally.
get the buzz and the love from them.
Syempre, excited kami kasi bukod sa mga nangyari last year, parang nagkaroon kami ng time nga po, like makapag-release.
I'm so distracted right now. I'm sorry. I'm just having that sort of a day. Imagine the Pablo stood across from you and looking at you like this. Like, what?
Release kami ng mga new songs sa mga solos po namin. So, excited kami na ma-perform namin siya.
He's in a very flirty mood.
Sa pagtatag. Masasama na namin siya sa pagtatag tour and maririnig dito sa Dubai.
Yun.
So,
Gusto ko lang i-ask sa inyo kasi we are so proud of you guys dahil nga as a group, grabe yung mga kanta nyo, grabe yung mga request ng mga listeners namin sa Tag 91.1 and also you being solo artist, next level din ang pag-support ng inyong mga fans, diba? Nakakatuwa naman. Gusto naman malaman, or is it gonna be a surprise? Are you guys going to perform like yung inyong kanya-kanya kanya-kanya bang kanta or mga tracks dito sa tour nyo or sorpresa ba?
Hindi na namin siguro surprise yun kasi alam din naman po nila that before na nagper-perform din po kami ng mga solo tracks. Pero siguro mas mag-iiba lang po ngayon.
Magsusurreal daw si Justin.
Marami po. Baka si Justin po mag-surreal with dance break.
Manggagaling po ako sa TikTok, nakatali.
Pero yung mga fan nyo ba, pwede bang mag-request?
I'm gonna be so disappointed that that's not gonna happen.
Pwede naman
Pwede
po.
po.
Pero sulat lang po nila sa...
Sure they can. Doesn't mean that they're gonna actually do it.
Sila mag-request,
Plus
di lang namin
500
pagbibigyan.
Old school. Oh. Dahil nga third time yun na dito mag-perform as a group, kayo ba, meron ba kayong gustong i-share sa amin na mga memorable experiences?
I'm sorry, I am listening. I promise you I'm listening, but I just want to say the last comment about all of these looks, okay? But because of Pablo's time traveling with his hair now, and still having the chop as well, suddenly they look like a 90s boy band.
Yeah. Of course, with 18. And yung mga
And
iba
even Justin.
mga fans
Experience
dito. Oo, nung nag-perform kayo, na pwede yung i-share.
Siguro po, syempre, yung makita po sila, very memorable po Pero yung,
Yes.
alam niyo po, every time na nagpupunta kami dito, talagang feeling namin, kami, alam niyo yung parang maharlika lagi. Talagang inaalagaan po kami ng mga tao dito.
Good.
And
You deserve it.
nakakatuwa po na kahit, syempre, last year nga nagkaroon ng medyo na-postpone, pero hindi pa rin po nagbago yung parang nararamdaman nila or syempre yung pakikitungo po nila sa amin at may make sure po namin makakabawi kami for this pagtatag Asia Tour.
Yeah, and siguro yung like pag sa airport po, I think pinaka-memorable din sa akin yung yung the look in their eyes pag tiningnan mo sila how happy they are pag nandiyan kami sa airport. So, like tanggap talaga nila na nandito kami and sobrang sobrang heartwarming lang yung pag-receive nila sa amin dito. So,
They want to make sure that you feel welcome and they want to be a part of everything, like even if it's seeing a little glimpse of like the top of the head at the airport, and they just want to see everything, be everywhere, be outside everywhere, kind of like in a less creepy way, follow the boys around. Whereas when the boys are at home, it's different, isn't it? Because I guess some people might be aware where they will be during the day, depending on their schedules, and you might see them, and obviously they perform a lot more when they're at home, like they have more events and activities and things like that. So it's a bit of a novelty, and you want to show up for them.
And I think they do that because kasi diba sabi nga ni Josh, next level yung pagtanggap nila sa inyo. Kasi the next level din ng pagiging representative nyo sa one of the best, if I could say, ng mga Filipino artists and Filipino group. Kasi nagbibigay kayo ng pride sa ating mga Pinoy from winnings and from performing next level din. So we also thank you dahil talaga namang, ayaw yun, may hilera na talaga kayo sa mga international artists with the way you honed your skills at saka sobrang kami dito ay proud din sa mga na-achieve nyo in a short span of time.
Wow.
So glad they get to hear this.
Congratulations and thank you talaga.
Thank you po.
Dahil
Thank you po.
patuloy nyong tinataas, binawagayway ang bendera ng Pilipinas sa iba't ibang bansa.
Thank you po.
At pwede naman at this time, gusto naming marinig galing sa inyo invitation sa ating mga kabayan dito na talagang matagal na kayong hinihintay. So invitation from sa isa't isa nyo. Dapat isa't isa.
Hello po sa mga kababayan natin, of course, to all 18 dito sa Dubai. Iniimbitahan po namin kayo na manood po ng aming concert tomorrow, pagtatag World Tour Dubai, Asia. And tomorrow po gaganapin po siya sa The Agenda Dubai Media City. Sobrang excited po kami, and kung paano po namin to ginawa nung past years, sisiguraduhin po namin same energy and kung kaya po namin lampasan para mas ma-feel nyo yung
By the sounds of it, they
celebration and
surpassed
ma-feel
it.
nyo kung gano'n namin pinaghirapan itong era na to. So sana ma-feel nyo po yun. And ayun, see you tomorrow and let's have some fun!
Yay!
Hello Dubai, hello 18. Kamusta po kayo lahat? Alam ko po, the past few weeks has been rough for everyone.
Josh?
Sana po dito sa darating na concert
What are
namin,
you
mapasaya
doing?
namin kayo. And somehow makalimutan nyo kung ano man yung mga pinagdadaanan nyo. And mag-enjoy lang po tayo lahat. At gusto ko lang po sabihin na mahal namin kayo. Ingat po kayo palagi.
Hello po, 18 Dubai and everyone na nakakarinig. Hello po, especially mga Filipino na nandito po sa Dubai. Yung concert po namin tomorrow, sana po ay makapunta kayo dahil ihahatid po namin ang feeling ng Pilipinas sa inyo sa aming performance. So, ayun po, sana po makapunta kayo and sa lahat po ng pupunta, magkita-kita po tayo and enjoy lang natin. Ayun po, sana makatulong ang concert namin para mawala ang inyong pagkamis sa Pilipinas.
Yun,
Sigurado yan,
pinakamaganda. Ayun po, magkita-kita po tayo tomorrow at syempre sa mga susunod pang mga concerts. Pero yun po, bukas po, sana makapunta po kayo kung meron kayong konting oras para tulad nga ng sabi ni Justin, ipaparamdaman po namin syempre na nasa Pilipinas ulit kayo sa pamamagitan ng pagpa-perform namin. At syempre po para sa mga 18, we love you so much. Talagang pasalamat kami kasi nandito kayo parate para sa SB19, para dito sa mga kasama nyo sa Dubai. At enjoyin lang po natin ang bukas.
First of all, salamat 18 for supporting and gusto na namin kayo makita. So ayun, I hope magkita tayo bukas ng safe lahat. Ayun.
Ang SB19 tomorrow naman.
Yeah.
Seeing some familiar faces in the background, you know. That's really nice for them.
City, don't forget. Thank you so much.
Everyone just wants to be around them. It's so nice.
Ken and Justin in the house. SB19, thank you.
Thank you so much. See you tomorrow.
Tag 91.1.
So, I just want to ask you guys, alam ko sobrang init ng pagtanggap ng 18 ng mga fans nyo. And minsan kasi next level na to the point wherein medyo hindi na limited. Yung parang lumalagpas na sila sa limits nila. So I just want to hear from you. Paano nyo ba sila may encourage?
This is interesting. Very timely, seeing as what happened a little while back.
Girls and fanboys. So,
I think kasi syempre pakinggan din nila yung mga co-fans nila, co-18 kasi po napapansin din namin whenever merong parang napapansin din ng ibang fans na parang sobra na, tama na guys, ganyan. Sila rin po mismo nagbabatian sa bawat isa or talagang sinasabi nila sa isa't isa na sobra na yung or minsan nga po sa isang event po namin, sila mismo yung nagbabarricade sa mga...
that's good.
Opo. So talagang nagtutulungan sila. So siguro po, magandang bagay din na mag-usap-usap sila, pakinggan nila yung bawat isa. And add ko rin po, one thing na ginagawa din po namin is lalo na ngayon po na may sariling company na kami. So we have naglalagay din kami ng mga announcements regarding sa attitude ng fans namin para po talagang makip natin yung peaceful and talagang masaya na fandom.
Yes po. And I think we have different levels of tolerance po.
True.
Pero just to be, syempre, learn to read the room, parang gano'n. Minsan kasi parang,
Tell it how it is, Josh.
minsan mahirap na, kuwari, nasa labas, tapos kumakain, tapos alam niyo susubo
Someone turns up with a phone, yeah.
Bigla po may magkakaso.
Can I have a photo?
Kahit after na lang, may mga ganun times lang po na at least po, minsan kasi dati naman, okay lang naman talaga siya, so nakakatuwa. Pero yun nga, parang pag nagmamadali ka, na-realize mo, ay, may mga times pala na hindi rin siya okay. So, yun lang naman po for us. Pero masaya po kami lagi kapag nakikita naman po kami ng 18 and fans.
Yeah.
At hindi po magbabago yun.
Oo.
Absolutely.
Yung pag sa bahay.
Yeah.
Gusto ko lang po sabihin na it's where we can, rest.
Relax.
Galing sa work namin.
Yeah.
Okay lang naman sa ibang place Okay lang sa ibang place and then understanding at pagiging pa rin responsible.
Yeah, come on guys. Common sense.
Pag kumakain, sana. We can do that after, after kumain. And ayun, pag sa bahay namin and sa, sa personal...
I feel like Pablo's itching to say something. Tell us, pal.
po natin.
Yeah.
I mean, hindi siguro.
Please do.
that.
Yes.
Ayun.
For me naman po, I understand the feeling ng mga fans. Kasi before,
Sobra.
naging fan din naman po ako ng isang group or isang artist.
Fan
I
ako ni
feel
Stella.
yung ganong klase ng bugso ng damdamin. Hindi natin siya mapipigilan. Especially kung talagang yung taong nasa harap mo yung nilulook up mo, talagang ina-idolize mo. Siguro ang take ko lang po doon sa ganyang klaseng issue is, kung if ever man makasalubong nila yung favorite artist nila, favorite group nila. Parang wala namang masama kung may isip po na i-approach siya. Kasi yun yung unang bagay na papasok sa isip mo.
Yeah.
Lapitan siya, kausapin, magpa-picture. Wala naman pong mali doon and walang problema. Siguro lang, before doing the actual action, parang isipin lang din natin kung ano yung ginagawa ng isang tao.
Thank you, Stel, for painting a full picture.
Parang may ginagawa siya, parang kailangan niya ba ng personal space. Parang pinakamahalaga po kasi sa amin, yung ayaw po namin yung magkukos ng commotion dun sa mga nasa lugar ka, for example, public places. Tapos, parang yung mga tao naman, hindi kami kilala, pero dahil sa pagkakaguluhan, parang curious yung
Pablo wants to say something. He's getting agitated.
Sikip sa lugar,
delay,
traffic, delays. Yun lang naman yung iniiwasan. Parang minsan nagkakaroon ng misunderstanding na sobrang snob naman nila, hindi namamansin, hindi pumapayag. But sa loob namin, gusto namin siyang gawin kung kaya nga namin sa lahat.
Of course you would. I truly believe they would.
Depende po kasi sa lugar at depende sa sitwasyon.
Parang wag sa gitna ng
parang ganon. Like, we are very open to interact with our fans. Syempre, dahil sila talaga yung number one na sumusuporta sa amin. And kung wala sila, wala talaga kami. But siguro, tulad din ng pagrespeto namin sa mga fans, sana ganon din yung respeto na matanggap namin from them. Kasi ang love naman, hindi siya pwedeng isa lang yung nagbibigay. Dapat bigay siya.
So
if you love the person, give them space, give them privacy. So, ganun din. Ganun namin kayo kamahal. So, sana ganyan rin kami mahalin. Parang yun lang naman. But, other things naman, wala namang problems. Kasi we know the feeling naman of being a fan.
Oh, I love it.
I love it too.
For the fans out there, wag kayo kagad magja-judge. Don't be easy to judge because at the end of the day, they are trying their best talaga to accommodate everyone. But also, marami din kayong tinitake into consideration.
Last add ko na rin po pala. Kasi parang we know po kasi important important point din kasi parang yung fans po kasi especially sa social media, pag may nakita silang maling post or maling ginawa ng isang tao, madaling mag-judge. But kasi ang na-realize ko rin, and paano nga naman kung yung taong yun, first time niya lang ginawa and hindi talaga siya fan, like parang casual niya lang ginawa, tas na-post siya, na-judge siya kagad. Parang napaka napaka sakit for him or for her. Na parang ang dami na kagad na sabing name sa kanya. First time niya lang naman na aktuhan.
Depends what it is though. Because if it's your first time going through a celebrity's trash, then you are trash. There is no excuse for that.
Parang ingat lang siguro sa mga words kasi importante pa rin ng mental health. Parang kung wag mong gagawin yung isang bagay na ayaw mong gawin din sa kapwa mo. Parang yun lang.
Good rule. I really love this, and this is my thought. Like, if I were to ever see SB19, obviously, if you see them in Manila and they don't have a schedule or an event and they're out and about, I would be really hesitant to approach them. I would think this is their time off. This is their spare time that they are relaxing in. If I saw them with their family, I wouldn't even dare interrupt. Not unless I had happened to make eye contact and the person was like, oh hi, then maybe I would try and speak to them. But if I saw them with family, absolutely not. But if they are abroad in a situation like this, if they're in Dubai and they are having these outings and they're appearing on shows, etc., and in that sort of a situation, and if I was around, I would probably be like, I would maybe feel comfortable in approaching them. Again, I would judge the situation, because if they were having some sort of private conversation, I wouldn't just barge in and demand that they take a photograph with me or talk to me, etc., whatever. If they're eating, absolutely no. And this is the thing with me, I don't like to follow people. I just want to go to their concert and watch them sing. That's it, basically, full stop. If I happened to meet them in real life, amazing. If I happen to get a photo, amazing. If I happen to tell Stel that I love him, even more amazing.
Since we are on the topic of fandoms and fans, syempre, hindi rin talaga may iwasan. Alam natin yan dahil we have been, sabi nga ni Stel, we have been a fan before. Hindi may iwasan yung mga mainit na mga opinion.
This is great discussion.
Every group, merong mga masasabi yan. So, siguro gusto ko na lang marinig maybe advice from you guys, not just for 18, so syempre from the other fandoms as well, na ano yung mabibigay nyo na advice para naman medyo chill lang tayo. Bawasan yung mga ganyan. Kasi at the end of the day, nakakarating yan sa mga artists.
It does.
Yes.
The artist. So siguro
I have many a times stopped listening to an artist because of their fandom. I don't care how good their music is.
Ayun nga, parang gaya rin po ng sinabi ni Stel na we think before we parang post
Click.
or say anything. Kasi po, syempre,
As you
mga
would do in
nasasabi
real life,
natin,
surely.
Iba-iba rin yung pagtanggap
Tanggap
ng
ng
bawat
tao.
tao na nakakabasa, na nakakarinig. The best way na we can do is parang alam din naman ng tao which one is yung critic and which one is yung parang may masabi lang talaga para
Exactly.
lang mag-cause ng ano. So sana po iwasan talaga natin yon. Malaki yung nagiging impact niya to everyone, not just the artist na, kasi po syempre hindi natin may iwasan yung mga haters, yung mga bashers. So yung comments po na nilalapag natin, na hate na sinasabi natin sa mga artist, and hindi lang talaga artist yung naapektuhan, maraming tao, especially yung mga fans, na nagkakaroon lalo ng misunderstanding. So, bukod din po dun sa mga haters, syempre, the fans siguro, if alam nila na mema lang, minsan makikita mo yung account, walang laman.
Wala, oo.
Investigate.
So, huwag nilang pansinin.
Yeah, just don't.
Kasi po,
Just
pag,
ignore them.
lalo lang, parang masasatisfy
They
lang
just want
yung
attention.
basher. So,
Yeah.
ayun po, iwasan natin. And siguro, mas maganda mag-focus tayo sa goals natin, sa mga bagay na magaganda.
Yeah.
Para mas lalong yung energy na makuha ng lahat.
Saka po uso ngayon yung parang nakiki-hype lang eh. Yung parang pag may someone na may, alam mo yun, trending na may
Yeah,
something
for the
na
clout.
nakikisama
Yan.
lahat. So parang, para sa akin po, instead of may masabi kang masama na galing sa'yo, siguro ano na lang, spread positivity instead of
Yes.
negativity. Kasi kawawa rin naman yung parang, what if mali ka, what if, ayun, alam mo yun, yung better to siguro be silent na lang.
Yep.
Siguro, yun nga, wag na lang makasakit ng ibang damdamin po. Tsaka, syempre, siguro ano lang, mas chill lang sila kasi social media can be ano rin eh, talagang exhausting or
Yeah.
toxic. Parang siguro instead of focusing on it, mas maganda siguro mag-focus to ano lang nga, mag-spread lang ng kabutihan or fun, good vibes instead of puro makikita mo parang uy, ano na to, yung parang nakikita siguro ng mga tao recently, mas dumadami na yung pangit na nakikita instead of the good things na natatabunan na. So baka isa na rin yun sa maka-affect sa'yo sa personally, yung ano mo, yung pananaw mo. So, siguro mag-ingat na lang po talaga.
Siguro po,
Don't let people wind you up.
Mature na lang.
Yeah.
din. Kasi parang, right now, we know na ang daming mga bagay na natutuwa tayo kasi finally, it's happening na and we have our own favorites na sinusuportahan. And dito naman sa kung nasan tayo ngayon, to be honest, wala naman tong pilitan. Parang walang pilitan, walang competition. But
That's
for
a good
others,
word.
syempre, hindi natin mapipigilan yung may isip nila ganun. Siguro kung ganun nga yung iniisip nila na this is competition, okay lang rin naman yun. Basta, ang rule lang is kung wala namang magandang sasabihin sa ibang
Don't
tao,
say anything at
huwag
all.
na lang sabihin. Kasi, paano kung yung sinabi niya na yun, ibalik din sa kanya, edi sumama rin loob niya. Parang
Yeah.
ganon. Edi kung ayaw mo marinig yun, wag mo na siya sabihin sa ibang tao. Tsaka, for me lang din, kung sisimula natin na pagandahin yung mga bagay na gusto natin sabihin sa ibang tao, mababawasan yung problems na babalik din sa'yo. Parang ganon.
Yeah.
The more you attract yung negative, ganon din kasi yung lalabas sa
Totoo.
bibig mo.
Yes.
So,
Yeah.
kung wala ka naman talagang magandang sasabihin, focus ka na lang dun sa gusto mong gawin na ikakabuti mo, hindi yung ikakasira mo rin in the
Totoo.
future.
Tama.
Tsaka mas
oo.
masarap po pakinggan yung parang I'm happy for them, I'm happy for you kaysa yung uy, mas magaling ako dyan.
Oo,
Diba?
tama
I think it's one of
yan.
those you can agree to
And let's
disagree.
celebrate everyone's
That's that person's opinion.
Achievement.
Don't give them attention.
Success.
Ignore them,
Tama
block,
yan.
Hindi
report,
naman to
repeat.
competition
Oo,
lagi.
if I were you guys, dapat mag-ano
Or
kayo, focus
educate,
kayo
agree to disagree,
sa mga
and
new
move on.
dance moves at saka mga songs ng SB19 kasi nakaka-happy sila. Yan. Yan ang pagtunan natin ng pansin. But, of course, we would like to end this with your message. Siyempre, sa mga nag-aabang sa inyo, eto na. At long last, makikita na kayo ng mga 18, ng mga fans nyo. Ano ang mensahe nyo sa kanila na naandito sa Dubai?
Yes, we're very excited po to see you guys and finally makikita na talaga tayo and ito na, matutuloy na yung inaasahan nating kasiyahan and party. So, if you guys are free tomorrow, magkita po tayo at
I wanted to see the reaction on the other side of the table too. Did they all cringe?
Hindi concert sa buong buhay nyo.
Oo.
Wow.
Yeah, see you.
I love you guys. Wala akong masabi talaga kasi...
Did you just say that?
Kaya naman din po kami nandito dahil sa kanila. So, yun lang po. Sana ma-enjoy nila yung performance tomorrow and mag-ingat sila palagi kasi hindi naman palagi okay. So, yun lang po.
Yes.
Let's go. We love you guys. Makita-kita po tayo. Let's have some fun.
Yes.
Some fun. Ayun. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng support na binibigay niyo.
Okay.
Yeah. Hindi, yun pa. Sige po, magkita-kita po tayo bukas at ayun po. We love you guys.
Okay.
Still was about to go off then.
All love to you guys. Peace sa lahat ng fandoms.
Yes.
And spread love
Yes.
always. And be happy. Stay healthy.
You too. You too.
Wag magpaka-struggle.
You too.
Mga hate.
Mr. Fake Faces.
Happy birthday.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you, Tag 91.1. Thank you.
SB19.
Tag 91.1.
Is that it? Oh my god, that almost burst my eardrum. That was so loud. Okay, let me go back because I want to look at Pablo while I talk to you. I love this. And this was really interesting from the point of view from like Tag. Really great questions and really important stuff to just put out there in kind of like a comfortable zone because like they're not there in front of fans, so I feel like they can be perhaps a little bit more open. I know the boys always are, but it's because they're talking amongst themselves. They can just be a bit more open about the whole thing, and I love all of the responses that we got back from them, and I hope that people take that on board. It's really, really sad, the situation that happened a couple of weeks ago, and I'm just so sad that they had to put out an official statement. I honestly do think that 18, generally speaking, are a really good, understanding, mature fandom, and I'll just put that down to their sometimes people get a little bit carried away. Like, I think I have done this where like I'll be with my group of friends who I am extremely comfortable with, and I will play a joke, and for me and my friends, it's incredibly funny. The minute it goes out of the group, people think that you're an absolute psycho or they think there's something wrong with you. Let me give you an example. I was at my best friend's wedding and my other best friend was there and he was really irritating me. And this is what we do. We just hate each other. And he was like, can you look after my phone? And inside his phone was his bank card. And I took the bank card and I hid it. It's just something that we do. And then I watched for the next 30 to 45 minutes him run around the whole place panicking that he'd lost his bank card. And it just made me feel so good because I'm evil. This is what we do to each other. And the other people that I was with, they were not like my immediate friends. I know them through my friend, and they genuinely thought that A, I was a thief, B, I was an absolute monster. They couldn't believe that I had done that. And when the whole situation came out and they saw his reaction to it, we had to sit down and kind of like explain to everybody that this is our relationship. Like, we are best friends and our level of comfort and our jokes are like really crazy. Like once I was in his car and I took something from his car and I put it in my bag and I took it, and then he was looking for it for ages, and a couple of weeks later I posted it to him. But these are the stupid things that we do to each other. Please, I am not the only one that does this stuff to him. He has done plenty of stuff to me too. So don't think that I'm a bad person. But the taking the trash, like I think between them you'd be like, oh my god, look how funny this is, like dispatch. But then when you actually post it online, it becomes a little distasteful and it becomes a little unsafe. It's just, if you see what I mean. So there's a real line that you have to be very, very careful about. And also, like, they were filming it for a reason to put it online to get a response for it. So they should have expected that there was going to be this whole hoo-ha after it. Really, really unnecessary. And unfortunately, it brought a little bit of negativity to the fandom that is generally really great. I mean, I've not really had any negative experiences, touch wood, with 18, and long may that continue. A really great interview, and I love that they got to talk about these subjects and not the same old, are you single? Are you in love? What other ridiculous questions do they always get asked? I can't even remember now off the top of my head. It bores me to death. So yeah, this was really good. Thank you so much to the account that is Estella Presser for subbing this, uploading it. Thank you so much for watching it with me. Do talk to me in the comments below about what you thought about this. And I'm looking for the interview with Chris Fade because it's really weird how the world works, because I know of Chris Fade through some other stuff that I watch and listen to, and he's such a great energy. And I was really hoping that one day that would happen, and it did, and it looks like it was amazing. So I hope that I'm able to watch that interview at some point as well. Thank you so much for watching this with me. I hope that you had fun, and until I see you next time, take care, stay safe, bye.